nous allons commencer la grammaire de la leçon numéro 7. Okay, we are going to start the grammar part of lesson number 7. So in this grammar, we are going to see the negative form, in the interrogation form of an inversion sentence. Then we are going to see the tense. Okay, so one by one. So take your grammar, your book, page 82. Okay, so first we are going to learn the grammar. Then in the next session we are going to see the translation. Okay, so in this grammar we are going to start with the negative form. Okay, so la négation ne plus. So you have the example. So what is ne plus? That means no more. Okay, so in English that is no more. Okay, you can write with your pencil when I am teaching the grammar like this. Okay, so that means no more. Okay, so you have example here. Nous n'avons plus de légumes. So we have no more vegetables. Okay, so this is the example. So we have used ne plus. So if you have a vowel, you have to put an apostrophe. Okay, so nous n'avons plus de légumes. We have no more vegetables. Okay, so next example is je n'ai plus d'argent. So I have no more money. Okay, next example, ils ne prennent plus de viande. So they are not taking no more meat. Okay, so viande means meat. They are not taking no more meat. They don't take no more meat. Okay, next example, tu ne vois plus tes amis. So you are not seeing no more your friends. Okay, so this is the negative form. Ne plus comes ne before the verb and plus de after the verb. Okay, so next one we are going to see expression de la quantité. So in this lesson we are going to have a conversation in a dinner. Okay, so you have the lesson number 7. So au marché, in the market. Okay, so we are going to have a conversation in a market. So we are going to purchase, okay, vegetables and things. So we have to know the quantity, expression of quantity. Okay, expression de la quantité. 1, 2, 3, so etc. So this is a quantity. Next one, un, une, des. So what are they? Un, une, des. Article indéfini. Okay, so next one, du, de, la, du, des, and apostrophe, des. So these are articles partitifs. Okay, so next one, 1 kilo de, 1 litre de. So follow my line. Okay, 1 kilo de, what is 1 kilo of? Okay, 1 kilo of potato, 1 kilo of tomato. Okay, so and litre de, a liter. Okay, so you have a liter of oil, a liter of milk. Okay, what is very thin. Okay, so you have a liter of. Okay, so next one, 100 grams de. So 100 grams of. So you have to take the corianders. Okay, 100 grams, 500 grams. Okay, so 100 grams de, 500 grams de. Okay, so 500 grams of. Okay, etc. Une dizaine de. So for bananas. Okay, so we are going to say a dozen of banana. Okay, a dozen. So that means une dizaine. Une douzaine. So 10. Dizaine means 10. 12. Okay, dizaine, these. So this comes from the word, the number 10. Une dizaine. This is une douzaine, 12. Okay, so this is 10, you can write, and this is some. Okay, so some coriander, some persils. Okay, so we are telling some mint leaf also we are using. Okay, a little bit of mint leaf, persil and coriander leaf. Okay, so we can use calcul at the end of the when we finish our purchase in the market, fruits, vegetables and things. Then we are going to go last for the leaves. Okay, so next one you can see the example here. Je voudrais 1 kilo de pommes de terre. So I would like a 1 kilo of potato. Pomme de terre means potato. See, I told you when I am teaching the grammar, you have to take your pencil with you, follow the grammar and you can write at the next of the sentence in English. Okay, so I am teaching you in French, then I am translating you in English. So we have to write potato. So the hard words that you don't know, you have to write in English when I am teaching the grammar. Okay, so follow this every day. Elle achète quelques légumes. So elle achète means she buy some vegetables. Quelques légumes. She buy some vegetables. Okay. So next one. Ma mère achète des épinards. So my mother buy spinach. So des épinards means some spinach. So you can say quelques, some when it is a quantity. Okay, and they also it is some. Okay, so quelques and they. Épinard means spinach. Okay, so my mother buys some spinach. Okay, so this is over for the negative form and the expression of quantity. Okay, so next we are going to see interrogation avec l'inversion. So we already learned last year in our previous book the 3 forms of inversion, isn't it? So in lesson number 4, I think you have that grammar. Okay, 4 or 5, you can see your book. Okay, so we have learned the 3 forms of inversion. What are they? Intonation, circle and inversion form. So here it is, you have to use inversion form and some of the sentence we have used circle to answer. Okay, so you have 3 types of sentence. So it is all mixed here. Okay, so viens-tu avec moi au marché? So you look at the examples that they gave. Viens-tu? So you can see the normal sentence in affirmative. So this is the inversion form. This is the affirmative form. Tu viens avec moi au marché. So you are coming with me to the market. Okay, so but in English we don't have that inversion form. We have only are you. Okay, so do you come with me to the market? So come do you. We cannot say that in English, isn't it? So the inversion form it is in French only. Okay, so parlez-vous français? You speak French. So est-ce que vous parlez français? So do you speak French? Okay, so I am going slowly for you to understand. Okay, so see each and every example. Parlez-vous français? So if we inverse this, we can use est-ce que vous parlez français or only vous parlez français. You speak French. Okay. So next example. Faites-vous du sport? Est-ce que vous faites du sport? Do you do sports? This is the meaning of this sentence. Do you do sports? Or do you practice sports? Okay. So next example. Prends des légumes. So what we learn in the inversion form also. So when we have P, D, R. Okay. So at the end or S also. No need to read at the T when we have the inversion form for E and N. So we are going to put like this no. So in or an. Okay, so we are going to insert the T. So here it is not need. Okay, so because it already ends with D. Okay, so prend des légumes. Did she take vegetables? So she takes vegetables. So you can see my tone. So we are using intonation. She takes vegetables. Okay. So next one. Combien coûtent les tomates? How much cost the tomatoes? So how much? So how much the tomato cost? Okay. So combien les tomates coûtent? We can say the both. Okay. Next one. Pourquoi allez-vous au magasin? So pourquoi means why. Why are you going to the market? So why you are going to the market? So as I told you, are you or you are. We can inverse the both sides. Okay, in English and in French. Next example, avez-vous un sac? Avez-vous? So have you a bag? Or you have a bag. So when you are going to go for shopping, the salesman or the bill who is giving the bill, okay, is going to say, ask you, do you have a bag? Shall I pay for the bag? Okay, so he will ask you, avez-vous un sac? Vous avez un sac. Next one, we have le passé récent. We are going to use le passé récent. Okay, so what is the passé récent? It's the recent past, an action which is just happened in the past, which is over just now. Okay, so for that, so this is a tense. Okay, le passé récent exprime une action récente dans le passé. So the recent past express an action which is recent in the past. Okay, so for the formation you have subject plus venir de or be apostrophe plus infinitive. Sujet, so you have the verb venir, de. So what is the present tense of venir in present? Okay, do you remember? Je viens. So in your graph column, you are going to use this. Je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, il vient, elle vient. Okay, so for this you are going to write in your graph column. Okay, not to forget. Okay, so il vient, elle vient. So this is a present tense of the verb venir. Okay, so for the passé récent, recent past, we are going to use the verb venir in present tense to make the sentence in recent past, an action which is just happened. So here are some examples here. Je viens de finir mon travail. So subject plus venir de, it is completed, isn't it? So vient de, finir, infinitive, okay, the given infinitive plus le nom, mon travail. I have just finished my work. Okay, so you can see the example. It will be very easy in your exercise also. If you follow this formation, okay, of the recent past. So what is this? Recent past. Okay, you can write like this. Recent past. So next one. Elle vient d'acheter des fruits. She just buy some fruits. Okay. So elle vient. So elle vient. We are going to write venir. Elle vient d'acheter des fruits. Okay. So next example. Paul vient de rencontrer son copain. So Paul just meet his friend. Okay, so he has just meet his friend. So these examples are just happened, an action which is just happened in the past. exercise now. Okay, so go slowly with my grammar video. Okay, so you can recall also, you can rewind your grammar and learn and hear again and again. Okay, if you have doubt, you can go back, you can push the red button and listen again the grammar. Okay, so if you can't follow this when I am teaching you, you can rewind and re-listen the grammar. Okay, so next we are going to see the future past. So what is the future past? An action which is going to happen immediately. Okay, le futur proche exprime une action immédiate dans l'avenir. So for each tense you have a formation. So why I am giving the formation is for you, not to forget the sentence formation. How to change the sentence into the given tense. Okay, to remember for you. Okay, I am giving the formation for each tense. Okay, it will be easy for you to do the grammar exercise. So for the future past, for this we are going to use sujet plus aller. So you know already the verb aller in present. What is that? Je vais. So you can see in your book back also. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Ils vont, elles vont. Okay, so you have this also in your book bag. Okay, so this is the verb aller in present tense. So for that we have to insert the verb aller before the given infinitive. Okay, for in the sentence, if you don't have this, you are going to see the verb. So the verb should be on in negative. Okay, je vais aller au marché. So the missing aller verb we are going to conjugate in present tense according to the subject. Okay, so this is the future past. It is very easy. So for the future past you don't need to convert the given verb. Okay, so we are going to just insert the verb aller before the given infinitive, and then you are going to write the same infinitive of the sentence, given sentence. Okay, so le présent progressif. Next we are going to see le présent progressif. So what is le présent progressif? It's an action which is going on. Okay, so we are doing an action which is going on now. So le présent progressif exprime une action qui se déroule. So déroule means which is going on. Okay, which is happening now. Okay, an action which is happening now. So sujet plus être en train de. So we already learned also the present tense of être. What is the present tense of être? Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, etc. You know already the present tense of être is a basic thing that we learn, isn't it? So we already learned the present tense of être en train de. So we are doing, okay, which is going on. So we should not forget this term, en train de, plus infinitive. So look at the example. Ma mère est en train de faire la cuisine. So my mother is doing the kitchen. Okay, the dinner or the meal. Okay, so she is preparing the meal. Okay, en train de faire la cuisine. Next one, je suis en train de faire les devoirs. So I am doing my homework. So she is going on doing her homework. Okay. Next one, you can see the verb être. It is conjugated. Okay. So here also you have the verb aller conjugated. Okay. So you have to learn this. Next one, il est en train d'acheter des billets. So he is buying the tickets. Okay, so he is buying the tickets at out-handed. So we should not forget this term when we are using what? Le présent progressif. Okay, so it is clear till here? Yes? Okay. Next one, adverb. So what is adverb? We already learned last year also. So these are all in your 8th standard. You are going to have a recall of your first, second and third book. Okay, as I already told you, we already learned briefly in our previous year. So these are all recalls. Okay, so for the new student it will be new. You are going to see your previous year or your, I am going to give you an attachment of the previous year book. Okay, so you can see the verb adverb. So où means where, où means where, combien means how much, how many, pourquoi, pourquoi means why. Okay, so we already learned in last year lesson number 5. So Madam Lavin is going to buy vegetables, isn't it? So in that lesson we saw a adverb. Okay, so who means where, so where, how much and why. Okay, where, how much, why. Okay, so I have given you an example here. Où allez-vous? Where you are going? So I am going to the doctor. I am going to the market. You can write. Okay, so to find out the sentence, où. Next one, combien. Combien ça fait? What will you ask to that sailor? How much it costs? Okay, so when we are buying vegetables, we are going to ask him how much it costs. Okay, so that is combien ça fait. Okay, so next last one, pourquoi. Pourquoi means why. So pourquoi vas-tu chez le médecin? So why we are going to the doctor? So I am going to the doctor because my husband is sick. So I given this example. Je vais chez le médecin. So I am going to the doctor because my husband is sick. Okay, so this is an example given here. Okay, so you can go with the grammar and teach the first part of this lesson, grammar. In the next session we are going to have the continuation of the grammar. Okay, so we are going to see some exercise. Okay, exercise number 1. So you have ne plus. Yes, so we saw an example of using the negation. So where we have to put ne plus. Ne before the verb, you have to identify the verb and then plus will come after the verb. Okay, so you have example also. Vous venez souvent chez moi. Vous venez souvent chez moi. So vous ne venez plus. So you are not coming no more to my house. Okay, vous ne venez plus chez moi. Okay, so you have the example given here. You can follow the example and do this exercise. Okay, so for that we have to identify the verb. Okay, so do it well. Next one, expression de la quantité. So using the expression of quantity. So we learned the expression of quantity. What are these meaning? Okay, so we have to know the noun. So lait means what? It's a liquid item. Okay, so lait is milk. It's a liquid item. So we are going to ask a kilo of milk. No, we are going to say a liter of milk. Okay, so for that we have to know what is the meaning of that noun and then we are going to express the quantity. Okay, use the expression of quantity. Okay, so exercise number 3, you have to use the inversion form. Okay, so in the inversion form we also learned that for je we don't have an inversion form. for the subject je. Je means JE. Okay. So for JE there is no inversion form. Okay. So don't make mistake when we are going to inverse the sentence. So if you have the subject je, no inversion form. Okay. So you can leave like that. For the other subject you are doing the inversion of the verb and the subject. Next example, exercise. So we are going to see the following exercise in the next session. Okay, so do this 3 exercise. Okay, so next you have also exercise number 11, 12, 13. So what is 11, 12, 13 and 14? 11 is use the recent past. So for that we are going to find out the verb and use the recent past. Okay, how to frame the recent past sentence and what to insert into the sentence using the formation. Okay, so using the formation you are going to do this exercise. Next 12th one also using the présent progressive. So what is your présent progressive? Act en train. We are going to insert this in the sentence using the formation. Next one, exercise number 13. So 13 also we are going to use the future part. You are going to insert the verb aller. Okay, in present tense where we have to place it. Okay, so I have given you 6 exercise. You are going to have the PDF of this exercise. Okay, and we are going to do the given assignment. So I hope it is clear with my grammar. Okay, so go slowly with the grammar that I am teaching you. So you can rewind again and again and see the grammar lesson. Okay, see you in the next session. Do well your given assignment. And we are going to see the next grammar, following grammar in the next session. Merci, thank you.